Hi, my name is Raj Valecha and I am a digital transformation specialist for cybersecurity and trading systems. Today I want to talk to you about digital transformation and its impact on the world. Well, be it an individual or an organization, knowingly or unknowingly, we all have been affected in some way or another by it. So let's try to understand what digital transformation is. Digital transformation is not a product or a solution, but it is a culture of adopting new and innovative ways to do business based on technological advances. In layman terms, it is fundamentally changing the process or the way of achieving a goal using digital tools. For example, 10 years back, you would probably be required to go on a road or make a phone call to call a cab. But now, you can just summon a cab driver using Uber. So in last few years, the process of calling a cab has been digitized in a way that these days the cab will arrive at your doorstep just by a click of a button. From calendars, meetings, emails, transportation, weather forecast, workouts, paying bills, ordering stuff like food, clothes, etc. You name it, it's just there on a click of a button. We don't realize how digital tech has become an integral part of our life, but it definitely affects us the most when any of these services are absent due to malfunction or non-availability. Currently, we are in such a time where we expect technology to work for us seamlessly, and most of the time it does, believe me. But we feel technology's absence more than we feel its presence. For example, these days losing a smartphone can be quite distressful for someone who spends a great deal of time online. So, one of the major reasons for the organizations to invest in digitization is the research, which shows that the Fortune 500 organizations that embrace digital transformation are generating 8% or $100 billion more operating income than their counterparts. To understand digital transformation, we need to understand what caused it. The major factor causing the digital transformation is disruption. What is disruption? Well, one thing which is constant in universe is change. Change leads to disruption, and disruption leads to transformation. And same is true in the case of digital transformation as well. For example, the hotel industry has been disrupted a number of times. Finding a hotel once required driving through a town looking for a vacancy sign. Phone books. These were perhaps the first disruptors, and hotels that were listed had an added advantage. The internet was the second disruptor. Hotels with websites booked web-savvy guests, while those without an online presence could not. Travel websites that aggregated travel fares and bookings through application programming interface, which is API, were the third disruptors. Hotels that incorporated standard APIs and connected with travel websites benefited a lot. The fourth and the current disruptor is the mobile phone, which led to a sharing economy that's redefining the entire hotel industry. Travelers can now bypass by renting someone's couch, room, apartment, or home. Well, the disruptors outside the market, which is the APIs and mobile phones, led to disruption inside the market, which is the travel aggregated sites and sharing economy apps. And hence, this is how the entire hotel industry was transformed. Another story of disruption is the fall of Kodak. At one point of time, Kodak had 145,000 employees, and today it just has 5,000. It was a $19 billion company in 1990s, and today it is merely a $2 billion company. This is how digitizing cell phone to have a camera had an impact on the entire organization, as big as the size of Kodak. Kodak's missed opportunities in digital photography, a technology that it invented, was the direct cause of Kodak's decade-long decline, as the digital photography destroyed its film-based business model. This leads us to the conversation that digital transformation is just not only about using digital tools to ease things, but it is also about adapting to the change or disruption in time. This can only be done by empowering employees to continuously engage with customers in order to understand and adapt their changing needs, which in turn would lead to transforming your processes and optimizing the operations. In today's world, the biggest disruptors are cloud, big data, cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence.